Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Google review. Let's get started. You can delete or edit a Google review that you created, whether you want to edit it or delete it permanently from Google Reviews. I'm currently on my PC, but you can also do this on mobile in desktop mode. First, head over to Google and type in Google Reviews. This is a quick shortcut to save some time. Usually, the first or second result is from Google and will say Add, Edit, or Delete Google Maps Reviews. Select that. In the top right-hand corner, make sure you are logged into the Gmail account under which you posted the reviews. Once you're logged into the correct account, click on the Find Your Reviews button. Here you can see all the reviews you have posted under this Google account. Let's say you want to edit a review. Hover over the three little dots next to the review, select Edit Review, make your changes, and select Post to update it. If you want to delete a review, select the three dots, click Delete Review, and confirm that you want to delete it permanently. If you want to add a picture to your review, you can also do that from the Edit options. That's how you can edit or delete your Google review. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.